class, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Lucky Slayer with a very educative, very good video. And on today's video, I wanna achieve that look, that eyeshadow look that I have done on my one eye. I wanna do it on this other eye as you see and watch me. So guys, we are starting with this brown, oh my god, brown shade on my eye bone. Yeah, so let's do this. And as always, the secret to cute eyeshadow is blending. Make sure you blend the colors nicely into your skin. So let's do this, guys. You see, I'm doing the brown shade. Keep following the procedure, and at the corner of my lid, I'm gonna do a V-shape eyeshadow like that. Dark shade, dark brown, a bit darker than the one that I have applied on my eye bone. So I want to do this V-shaped look. Blend it nicely. The secret is know how to blend the colors, and make sure you know where to cut your cut crease. Yeah, how you gonna shape the nini, that V shape, you see, just on top of your eyeball, where you feel like it's the end of the eyeball. You do that V shape. We do that, guys. It's super easy to do this. So blend everything. Make sure you achieve the shape of the look you are looking for. And then I'm gonna come in with this concealer that I'm gonna use to cut my cut crease. So make sure you apply it on your hand, then come in. Now that you know where to cut your cut crease, go ahead and do it like that, like that. Cut it and make sure it's the same size as the other eye, like that. You can do it, baby. So make sure to do as I do. I'm very sure you are doing it as I do. Watch as I do and make sure you do as I do. Yeah, it's simple to cut the cut crease. You see, very easy. I love makeup. I love having cute eyeshadow. So if you're interested in knowing this, I also do personal training on makeup. So you can reach me and we can get to organize this. We can do online classes. We can do physical classes, wherever you're comfortable with. I'm here for you guys. Yeah. So after doing that, we take the color we applied on that part and apply it. You see how cute it looks. Wow. 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 I love the outcome, guys. I love it. I love it. Take your time, guys. Blend everything out. Yeah. Make sure you blend until you achieve that look. Okay, and then you blend the colors together. Use the previous brush that you used to apply the light brown and blend the colors together like that. Make sure everything is well done. Yeah, blend everything out. Yeah, like that. Where you see it's not nice, make sure you do it. You see, I want to insist on that part. I wanted it to look like this other eye, to have like a dark shade over there, a light dark shade, you see, like the other eye. So I have to make sure it's well done, you see. They should match, guys. Don't be afraid to go in again and again until you achieve what you want. Yeah, I insist. And then I apply again the color like that. Then come in with the dark shade. I want to make sure this part is dark. I want to darken it. Take your time and trust the process. At first it may seem like it's messy and all that, but when you go on and insist on the colors and blend them, you will achieve the color that you're looking for. Like that. You see, it's coming through. I love it. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. And then I want to apply the dark shade of my palette. As first I'm gonna apply it as eyeliner, and then I'm gonna come in with the eyeliner, liquid eyeliner on top of it to darken it. So like that. Make sure that part is dark. The V part. Still maintaining the V shape. We are maintaining the V shape. It's easy, guys. It's easy. Take your time. Wow, I love this. I love this, guys. I love it. Super, super cute. Super, super cute. Like that. And then I'm gonna come in with this blue shade, which I'm gonna apply on the lower lid. And I'm gonna wet the brush that I'm gonna apply with so that I can achieve that blue shade. Let's do this. Let's do it. That's how we're gonna apply, like we are applying the mascara. And I'm done. Like that. Then I'm gonna come in with my eyeliner, Miss Look eyeliner, and do my eyeliner. I have shown you guys how to do the eyeliner look. You see how easy it is? It's very easy. And when you're doing this, make sure the liner looks the same as this other side. Cute. Cute girl. Cute. And then guys, if those particles get into eyes, make sure you use the earband to clean the excess and the ones that get into your eyes, to clean that, like that guys. So we continue with our eyeliner. Make it a bit longer. Excuse me. Make it a bit longer. Like that. Like that, guys. And we come in with the mascara, guys. Apply the mascara so that we can have a base where we're gonna lay our false eyelashes. Apply it nicely. Wait for it to dry, and then come in the false lashes. And here's the final look, guys. I love this look. Super cute look. Wow, I love it. I love this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you on my next one. Bye.